Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make buffalo chicken dip sliders using an easy method. This recipe is perfect for parties or a quick snack, requiring minimal effort and simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, some hot sauce, ranch dressing, and a generous amount of shredded cheese. Get ready to create a crowd-pleasing dish in no time at all, making your next gathering a delicious success. Now, let's get that creamy dip ready. In a large bowl, combine your softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese with about 1/2 cup of your favorite hot sauce and 1/4 cup of ranch dressing. Mix these together until they are perfectly smooth. Then, fold in your 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. This creates a rich, flavorful base for your sliders. With your delicious dip prepared, it's time to assemble these amazing sliders. Take a 12-count package of slider buns and carefully slice them horizontally, keeping the top and bottom halves intact. Spread the buffalo chicken dip evenly over the entire bottom half of the buns. For an extra cheesy touch, sprinkle an additional 1/2 cup of shredded cheese over the dip. Finally, place the top half of the buns back on. Almost ready to enjoy? For a beautiful golden finish, brush the tops of your slider buns with about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, bake your assembled sliders in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the buns are lightly toasted. Serve them warm and watch them disappear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.